Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to turn on dark mode on Nexo using your laptop. Dark mode is not only easy on the eyes but it also looks really sleek. Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Nexo using your laptop. Dark mode is easy on the eyes and gives the platform a look. First, you need to open your browser and log into your Nexo account. Over here in the top, here's a search bar. Type down nexo.com and make sure to log in. Over here in this interface, when you reach into this interface in the top right, we can see there's a login icon here. Click over there. So here you just reach into the Nexo official dashboard. Over here in the top right corner, we can see there's this icon for the settings, and just below here you see there's an option for the appearance. Over here you can click on this appearance and select dark mode or light mode as per your preference, and that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on Nexo, and it's that simple. And if this video has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions, and enjoy your sleek new Nexo interface. Nexo combines convenience, security and smart financial tools all in one place.